Minister Amit Shah had also questioned the Congress party's stance on key issues that have been outlined in the NC's poll manifesto, especially the restoration of Article 370. So Amit Shah also accused the Congress of repeatedly risking the nation's unity and security to satiate its greed for power. In fact, yesterday, when speaking to the media, Home Minister had once again asked the Congress party to clear its stand on some of the most contentious promises that have been made by the NC in its manifesto, including, of course, that of restoring Article 370 and the review of the reservation for SC, STs and OBCs.
एजेंडा क्या है नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का, जिसको प्रिंटेड उन्होंने बांटा है? एजेंडा क्या है? कश्मीर का अलग ध्वज बनेगा। क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी इसके साथ सहमत है? 370 वापस इंट्रोड्यूस करने की मांग रखेंगे। क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी इसके सहमत है? उन्होंने कहा है कि मोदी जी के आने के बाद जो ST, SC, OBC का रिजर्वेशन मिला 370 जाने के बाद, इस पर हम पुनः विचार करेंगे। ST, SC, OBC के रिजर्वेशन को समाप्ति की जो बात है, इससे कांग्रेस पार्टी और राहुल गांधी सहमत है या नहीं है? स्पष्टता करना बहुत जरूरी है, इसलिए मैंने कल 10 सवाल पूछे थे।
Well, the NC and the Congress have reminded the BJP of its alliance with the PDP in the past and asked, did the BJP read PDP's manifesto before allying with it? The Congress party's Pawan Khera said that the PDP in its manifesto had mentioned about using currencies of both India and Pakistan. Khera had added that in the Common Minimum Program, the BJP and the PDP had said that they will follow the path of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and establish talks with the Hurriyat.
BJP has forgotten when they entered into an alliance with the PDP. I think they forgot to read the manifesto of the PDP of the last election. The PDP in its manifesto in last election clearly mentioned that there should be dual currency. Pakistan and India, both currency should be applicable for Kashmir. The PDP mentioned something called the self-rule, which is trans-border. The PDP mentioned trans-border trade. Have they forgotten? Why did they get into an alliance with the PDP despite reading their manifesto?
कमजोर हो गई। वो दिन भूल गए वो, जब महबूबा मुफ्ती की पार्टी PDP के साथ उन्होंने 2 झंडे सामने रख के मोदी जी ने शपथ दिलाई थी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी और PDP की। क्या है PDP का स्टैंड? नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बहुत से राज्यों में भारत की संप्रभुता और संविधान के प्रति कह रहा है, जिनके साथ आप समझौता किए बैठे हैं। तो मेहरबानी करके आप गलत तथ्य मत दीजिए।
Well, interestingly, the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti also released her party manifesto yesterday, and when asked about the possibility of her joining the Congress and the NC alliance, she responded saying that she is ready to leave all the seats for the two parties if they accept and follow the PDP's agenda. She asserted that for the resolution of the issues of Kashmir, that's the most prominent priority for her, and she took a dig at the NC and the Congress alliance, saying that they are more bothered about the seats than their agenda.
लेकिन अलायंस तो बहुत दूर की बात है, सीट शेयरिंग तो बहुत दूर की बात है। अगर कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस हमारे एजेंडे को अपनाने के लिए तैयार है कि रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ कश्मीर जरूरी है, टॉप प्रियॉरिटी है, रास्ते खोलना, बाकी हम बोलेंगे उनको आप भी सारी सीटें लड़ो, हम आपके पीछे फिर चलेंगे। बिकॉज मेरे लिए रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ कश्मीर प्रॉब्लम इज मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग एल्स। ये सीट मुझे 4 दो, आप 3 दो, ये मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखती है। इनके तो एजेंडे पे अलायंस नहीं हो रहा है, अलायंस सीट शेयरिंग पे हो रहा है, तो हम तो ऐसी किसी अलायंस की तो बात करेंगे नहीं जिसमें सीट शेयरिंग की खाली बात हो। अलायंस हमारा होना चाहिए एजेंडे के ऊपर।
My colleague Yavar Shafi is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what's expected. Well, Yavar, at a time when attack on constitution has been one of the biggest themes in the Lok Sabha elections, that seems to have worked for the opposition as well. Any stance that the Congress party takes in Jammu and Kashmir could affect its prospects in the other states as well. Interestingly, the BJP has questioned what is the Congress party's stand on Article 370.
Well, exactly. After the Home Minister has shot a volley of questions to Congress over its alliance with the National Conference, now many of the things are coming out. In fact, earlier it was speculated that the PDP will also join the alliance. However, putting an end to the note yesterday, the Mahbooba Mufti has clarified her stand, saying that the alliance will be not made on the basis of seat sharing rather than the agenda of the PDP, that's the resolution of the Kashmir. So somehow the Mahbooba Mufti is officially out of this alliance now, and it's unlikely that PDP will join any of the alliance, pre-poll alliance, if we talk about. Now the Congress has also trained on the BJP, saying that when they had a coalition with the Mahbooba Mufti or Mufti side in the Union Territory polls, that time it was a state in the 2014 elections. Had they read the the manifesto of the party, in which the Mahbooba Mufti, the PDP, in fact, had sought the self-rule or the two currencies, both Pakistan and India, will be applicable in Jammu and Kashmir. So a lot of the questions have been, in fact, asked by the Congress as well. In fact, this has come in a light when there was a lot of speculation were roaming around that there's a seat sharing rift has been begun in the National Conference and the Congress alliance. So somehow we are witnessing that many of the things are being unfolded ahead of the close in the Union Territory.